Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been quite a while since I've done a sit down video. I've obviously been vlogging in Europe and that's basically what's on my YouTube channel, but I wanted to do a money update video. I feel like I haven't done one of these for a very long time, so I'm very excited to share a few money updates that I've got with you in terms of like the investing side of things, in terms of, the Europe, how much I spent. So I'm very excited for this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I also want to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare, but I will be talking about them a little bit later on in this video. Okay, now let's get the elephant out of the room. I know I've been posting my Europe trip and how much it's actually costed me for this entire Europe trip. Obviously, you guys all know I went with Ravi and I did a budget before going as well. And I predicted it was going to be around $50,000 to $55,000. And yes, it has come to that same figure. So we've definitely budgeted and we've accounted for it. It's not like it's something that we didn't expect for it to happen. Now, I just wanted to address that, yes, it was $55,000 plus $6,000 for the rent that we pay for this apartment. And I know I was getting like a lot of questions around that's a lot of money. Yes, it is a lot of money. I totally understand. But mind you, we did fly business class for both of us and it was $14,000. So if you minus 55 minus by 14, it is... So that obviously comes to $41,000. Now, if we divide that by two people, it comes down to about $20,000. So yeah, I mean, look, it is still quite expensive. I totally get that. We wanted this experience to be like no other. We haven't, skimped out on our accommodation for places. We've tried to stay, at 4-star minimum, 5-star hotels, and I haven't never been to Europe before. So, this sort of, makes up for all the years that I've never gone to Europe. So I obviously haven't spent that much on travel and we haven't traveled for, 2-3 years. I suppose everyone's in the same boat, but yeah, this is definitely something that we splurged on and we are okay with doing that. Ravi obviously runs his buyer's agency. I've been doing content creation full time. We've been investing on the side as well. So that's how it's all really possible. We've made some smart investing decisions and it's a once in a lifetime sort of thing. It's not like we're going to be splurging every time we go on holidays. So I just wanted to clear that up. So that was a money update that I wanted to mention, that yes, it's expensive. Yes, we did splurge a little bit, but it is what it is and it's not like it's going to happen all the time. Next money update I have for you. I'm so excited because this has been on the back burner for quite some time and I feel like I haven't really given you guys many updates around what's going on in terms of the investment property side of things. So as you guys all know, I think I did do a few videos around me refinancing my properties, which I did do that before going to Europe. So I was able to extract some of the equity there. Then there were some, logistical issues. So I've sort of gotten back into, sorting that entire process out again. So basically I'm with a broker and we are refinancing again because the valuation for one of my properties did actually come back higher than we expected. So I'm able to extract that equity. So I'm doing that now. And then we are going to look at purchasing my first investment or my next investment property rather. And I'm so excited for it because I'm finally getting the ball rolling. Things have been submitted to the bank and I've done all my paperwork. I'm just waiting for approval and my broker is taking me along the process as well. So super excited about that. I will have more content on that actually on this channel as well, but also on my Instagram and TikTok, which I have revamped again as well. So a little update there for you. Now, we all know that obviously before I went for Europe, I refinanced. So I still have those funds available, which is great. However, the servicing for potentially buying 2 investment properties is a little bit limited. And this sort of brings me on to my next money update. Hi everyone, just interrupting today's video to introduce today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. Is there a specific skill that you're trying to learn? Skillshare is a perfect place to start. From finance, entrepreneurship, and productivity classes that will match your goals and interests. Here's a class by Justin Bridges about modern money habits and the 5 steps to build the life that you want. This is definitely right up my alley, as I love learning about money habits and what I can do in my personal life as well. So the first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description box below will be able to get a free trial of the premium membership, and that too all ad-free. Now back to the video, which is around HEX. So HEX is my student loan, and I am so happy to announce that I'm going to be paying off my HEX. I know a lot of people don't do that because it makes no sense. If you don't have to pay it off, I wouldn't pay it off. But because I want to buy more property, I'm going to pay it off because it's affecting my borrowing, and I'm going to pay it off with the refinance that I get through. My broker said that that is definitely possible. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm so excited because then that means I can actually eliminate the HEX component, which has, just been sitting on my shoulders for like my entire life. And I absolutely hate it because it's affecting me with borrowing and buying property. So I'm so excited to just pay that off because my broker said that there was about $2,000 worth of HEX money that was, getting charged or getting, or which was actually like reducing the servicing for me. So once that's gone, that's going to significantly increase my borrowing, and then I can actually purchase another investment property. But we need to first organize this first refinance, buy the first property, pay off my HEX, and then we're going to have to look into buying the second property. So I hope everything does go through very, very quickly because I don't like waiting. I don't have patience, and I just want things to be done. So as you guys all know, it's definitely a process, a lot of work behind the scenes, but I'm going to keep you guys updated. As I said, follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm posting on there daily now because come back from Europe and I've got like this whole strategy, and I'm so excited, so motivated for what's to come. So yeah, make sure you follow me on that. Now, the fourth money update that I have for you guys is around cryptocurrency. So I have actually paused investing into cryptocurrency for now, just because I want to make sure I've got enough funds for my investment property purchases. That is main priority for me at the moment. And then once that's all been done and I know that I've got surplus amount of cash, then I'm going to be obviously looking into investing into my business, and also obviously investing into cryptocurrency as well. So once that's all done, I'll look into investing again as well and keep you guys updated. I'm not going to really look into, building my savings because I'm not about that life. Yes, I've got like an emergency fund, but not putting your money in investments I feel like is silly. So I'm going to invest my money rather than top up my savings because that's not going to take me anywhere. So that's a little bit about the money side of things in terms of the updates. I'm so excited to finally get the ball rolling. I feel like, sorry, I've just got like a bit of a cold as well. So I feel like I've got like this whole new drive, whole new ambition coming back from Europe. It's definitely allowed me to recharge, reset, and figure out what I want to do and hone in on like my strategy and like what I want to do. So I'm so excited. Also, if you haven't already, then I actually launched a podcast with Ravi, who's my partner, and it's called Real Beings, which is REEL Beings. It's available on Spotify and also available on Apple Podcast. And it's a very chill, sort of unfiltered, raw chat that I have with Ravi around social issues, around lifestyle, around moving out of home. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, definitely do. It'll be linked down below. But I'm going to stop talking because I've done too much of that. I am going to leave it at that, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.